Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff. Today is Wednesday, October 3rd of 2018. So for our morning announcements today, for October birthdays, we don't have any birthdays today. So no October birthdays for today. So those will resume on another day, but no October birthdays for today. At least not on my list, I should say. Early dismissal is today. So boys and girls, we do have an early dismissal at 1:05 today. So hopefully your parents know about it. There's a lot of information that went out in the last couple of days about early dismissal. And then also, boys and girls, no school this Friday or the following Monday. So boys and girls, you're going to have a 4-day weekend. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So congratulations. For our lunch choices, we have mac and cheese with bread, chicken patty sandwich, or Italian sub. And for our pause today, we're focusing this whole week on bullying. So we have 3 students from Mrs. Midget's class. We're going to talk about bullying.
Okay, boys and girls, since this week we were talking about things about bullying, we have 3 students here today from Mrs. Midget's first grade class. They're going to talk about some things that you can do in case you see somebody getting bullied.
If you see somebody getting bullied, you could always say to stop. If they don't stop, you can tell the new name, or if you're not outside, you can tell the teacher right away. If someone's getting bullied and you tell them to stop and they don't stop, tell the teachers right away. If the person is going to get bullied, then they'll stop the person from bullying the other person.
Very good advice, boys and girls. Thank you very much for those things about what you should do in case you see somebody getting bullied and how you should report it.
All right, at this time, please take a moment of silence. All right, if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, boys and girls. So please make sure that you're standing. Have your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, great job, boys and girls. Thank you very much for the Pledge of Allegiance. It was an awesome job for you to do that today. Okay, boys and girls, that is Wednesday. It's an early dismissal day, so let's make sure that we're in our best behavior. Remember, you make the choices. You get to decide how your day's going to go, so let's make it a great day.